Announcement of sad news. Dear members of the Igbo community of Wales, with deep sorrow, we regret to inform you of the passing of our beloved member, Erasmus Nnaemeka Okafor, who lost his battle with brief illness. This is a heartbreaking loss to our community, and our thoughts and prayers are with his family during this difficult time. As we come together to honor his memory and support his loved ones, we will be organizing his obituary and funeral arrangements. Further details will be shared soon. We ask for your prayers, support, and unity as we mourn and celebrate the life of our dear brother. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Ise, Ise, Ise. From the Igbo community of Wales.
To